locked with the Earth, meaning it takes the Moon just as long to rotate around its own axis as it does to revolve around the Earth. Secondly, the Moon gradually receded from the Earth, cooled down, and then became geologically inactive. Currently, the average distance of the Moon from the Earth is 384,000 kilometers. Even to this day, it is receding from the Earth 3.8 centimeters a year. As a result, it takes the Moon increasingly more time to revolve around the Earth. However, due to tidal locking, the period it takes to rotate around its own axis is also increasing. The tidal phenomenon also affects the Earth. The Earth's rotation period is decreasing, meaning the length of the Earth's day is slowly